Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you a mini haul that I did in the drugstore. I'm going to start with the foundation, which I have enjoyed. By the way, all these products that I'm going to show you, I did a makeup tutorial where I have used all of them. So please, if you want to watch how I did it, you can watch it in this video that I'm going to show you here. Okay, so okay, let's start. In the first one, it's this Dermacol Film Studio brand show from Prague. This one. This is a full coverage makeup and it's waterproof. I have to say that it's hypoallergenic. I don't know if I can pronounce good. It's very strong when you apply it. If you use the beauty blender, I recommend you to use the beauty blender from the same brand. You are going to enjoy it because for the people who are having problems with their skin like mine, this makeup is going to cover almost everything, okay? And it's very, I should say, it's not sticky. It's a matte finish foundation. In my case, I think I didn't use the right shade because for me it's very light. I think that I should use the next swatch. This one that I have used is 207, I think. Yes, it's not, it doesn't have any names. It's they only have like numbers. Okay, so the shade that I have used is 207. Okay, the next product that I want to show you, it's a brow pencil, this one, and this is from a brand called Catrice. I love this one. I love it because it's a long-lasting eye pencil. It has got an ultra-fine brush for a very natural looking brow, you know. So I have used the shade 10. It doesn't have any name again. I like it because it has got like this one, this thing, I don't know, a very ultra fine. But the thing that you have to use it like this on down when you want to build up your brows, okay? It's a very nice color, I should say. This is for blonde, dark blonde girls. I think that it's a good one. Yes. Next, this is an old favorite powder for me. It's called Stay Matte Powder from Rimmel. This one I like it because it's a lightweight mattifying lasting powder. You have it in a wide shade of colors. You can choose this one, which I use in my tutorial. It's a transparent one. It's 001, the number, and I like it because it blurs up all my pores, and you can see that it gave me like a very matte finish, and it keeps my makeup well, and I think it's quite beautiful when you apply it on your skin. I have always applied here, and here on my T-zone. Next product, it's a blush, and I have to say that it really impressed me because this brush is from Essence. It cost me only €2 and it's very strong, very high pigmented. I recommend it to you because it's very cheap. And next, it's concealer cream. It's full coverage, guys. This bad boy, it's so good. I have applied on here because I have like a very dark circles here, and you can see all my veins and all my texture that I have here. And I have applied as well on my spots, dark spots that I have here and here. And I think it's quite a good one. The shade that I have used, it's called Ivory. I must say that it's quite creamy, you know. At the beginning I thought it's going to be like very hard because Normally a drugstore concealer cream, a very cheap one like this one, it cost me like €2.5 more or less. It was like an offer. The next product that I want to show you, it's this mascara. This mascara is from the same brand as the blush. It's called I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. It will give you a very nice shape of your eye in full. And I want you to see the brush that it has. It's so small, and so I mean it has like some stripes, and they are going to separate all your lashes. I think it's a good one. I compare it with one of Lancome, which is called Baby Doll. Yes, because it gives you like a very nice volume, as well will separate everything. They say mascara for extreme and crazy volume, ultra black and ophthalmologically tested. So why not try it, guys? What else I have here? Yes, these ones are from KIKO. These are some lip pencils. The shades are 302 and 303. They are quite nudes, very nice. This one it has got like more brown, and this one it's more pink. They are like creamy color comfort lip liners. I enjoy it now at the moment because my lips are very dry, and I think that this is a good option if you have dry lips like me. I have used it. I must recognize that I have used it with, underneath I put like lip balm, and after that I used these two lip liners, but combining them, you know. Good. The last thing, I almost forgot. I have bought the Catrice concealer. It's from the same brand as this one, and I bought them together because it was like a promotion. This was like €3, yes, more or less. And this, they said that it lasts like 12 hours. Guys, I don't know, because I didn't try it 12 hours, but the shade that I have used, it's porcelain. I must say it's very high coverage. It's a full coverage. It's not the type that it's going to be like very dry for your eyes. It's going to be like quite creamy. Yes, that's why I suppose it's an ultra lasting concealer. It doesn't smudge here, as you can see. I have used it today as well. And of course, I need to say something, because it's very important to use it with your finger like this, like, I mean, with small dabs like this, you know. And yes, that's all the things that I wanted to show you guys. I think that all of them are quite good, and it's worth the money. I have used it on my, as I said before at the beginning of my video, I have used them in my tutorial. I'm going to put it here. What else? Yes, I would like you to subscribe, please. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, because having a positive feedback will help me to keep doing every single day all these kinds of tutorials and hauls, because I should call this a mini haul. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for all your comments, and don't be shy, please leave me a comment in the box below. And of course, I almost forgot, I'm going to put all these products on my description box, and if you want to buy them. And yes, and thank you again. So see you guys. Bye bye. Bye. Espero que no se me haya olvidado nada. Eso espero.